Hello, what's up guys, I am Ariovid and welcome in next tutorial where I will show you how to upload a video on YouTube. I will show you step by step how to doing. Okay, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment. Let's go. So, fifth step is login to your account. You must log into your account. When you log in, you must click on YouTube Studio here, and later you have here camera create here right up. You click on this and here you have option upload videos. Okay, click, and as you can see you have here drag and drop video files to upload. Okay, and you choose video which you need. Don't upload. I don't know. Like this, and later you write title, description. You may add thumbnail and tags. Later, if you have monetization, it you may choose video elements, checks, and visibility. And you may set as public, on unlisted, or private, and click save. And that's all in this video. So thanks for watching, you may leave like and subscribe, share to others, write a comment, bye bye and see you next time.